Here's a better, closer example or close-up of how to install it. You want to try and push this ridge down through there, leaving this ridge here. But I always take this tab right here and put that through first, whichever direction works for you. Usually I'll go like this, kind of roll it like this, and then push it in there so it's kind of on that spot. See how it's through there, part of it, give you an idea. And then what I do is take it and try and roll it and fold it, squeeze it, fold it into like a burrito, and then make sure I push all that ridge, and then it just kind of pops. See, sorry, kind of pops. And if you've got any weird spots like that, you can just do that, or even this. See how it wants to flex, and then good and sturdy, and that's it. But you got to make sure that when you squeeze it through, you squeeze this through past this opening. Don't try and drag it across this lip a whole lot, because that lip's kind of sharp. I mean, you could take a piece of sandpaper and kind of sand it down, or take some of that sharp edge off of there, but I'll roll and then kind of push it in beyond that so it actually pops down in there. And once you do that, it's just in there. You can ignore this stack. This one was a defective one. The outside looked really nice, but the inside had a lot of deformation. This is only for installation purposes, to show the installation purposes in this video. It is trash. So anyway, thank you.